Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to learn stack data structure from a beginning. Many students think stack is difficult, but actually it is one of the easiest topic in data structure. In this video, I will explain everything step by step using simple example. We will learn what is stack, push operation, pop operation, overflow and underflow, application of stacks, full program explanation. So watch the full video carefully. First, let us understand what stack means. Stack is a linear data structure. In a stack, data is stored one above another. Stack follows one important rule. That rule is called as a LIFO. LIFO means last in first out. Let us understand with a simple real life example. Think about a stack of plates in a kitchen. When you place plates, one plate is placed above another plate. The last plate placed on the top is removed first. So, the last inserted item comes out first. This is called as the last in first out. This is exactly how stack works inside a computer. Stack can be represented using array. In stack, we use a variable called a top. Top store the position of the top element. When a stack is empty, top value is equal to -1. Whenever we insert an element, top increases, and whenever we remove an element, top decreases. Top always points to the last element. There are four important operations in a stack. First, push. Push means insert an element into stack. Second is pop. Pop means removing an element from a stack. Third is peek. Peek means weaving the top element. Fourth is display. Display means printing all elements. First, understand push operation. Push operation insert a new element into a stack. Before insertion, we check whether a stack is full. If stack is full, overflow condition occurs. Overflow means no space is available. Let us understand using example. Suppose stack size is 5. If all 5 positions are filled and we try to insert another element, then overflow occurs. This is the example for push operation. First we check whether top is equal to max minus 1. If S stack is full, otherwise top increases, then value is inserted into stack. This is the example of pop operation. Pop operation removes the top element from a stack. Before deletion, we check whether stack is empty. If stack is empty, underflow occurs. Underflow means there is a no element to remove. This is the example for pop operation. If top is -1, stack is empty. Otherwise, top element is deleted. After deletion, top decreases. Next, see peak operation. Peak operation shows the top element. It does not remove the element. It only displays the latest inserted element. This operation is useful when we want to check the top value. Next is display operation. Display operation prints all the elements in a stack. Elements are printed from a top to bottom. This helps us to see current content of a stack. Let's see dry run. Now let us understand execution step by step. Initially stack is empty, top is -1. Push 10, top becomes 0. Push 20, top becomes 1. Push 30, top becomes 2. Current stack is 10, 20, 30. Now perform pop operation. 30 is deleted, top becomes 1. Now stack becomes 20, 10. This clearly shows last in first out. Next, see application of stacks. Stack is used in many real applications like function call. When functions are called in a programming, stack stores the function information. Second is balanced parenthesis. Stack helps check whether brackets are balanced. Third is reverse string. Stack is used to reverse a string. Fourth is expression conversion. Stack converts infix expression into postfix or prefix expression. Advantages and disadvantages of stack. First, see advantages: easy to use, fast insertion and deletion, useful in recursion. Disadvantages is fixed size in array implementation, cannot access middle element directly. Now we learn complete stack data structure in a very simple way. We learn stack definition, LIFO principle, push and pop operation, overflow and underflow, applications of stack. If you understand this topic, then your data structure basics are become strong. In the next video, we will learn in detail applications of stack with example. So subscribe to the channel and continue learning. Thank you for watching.